Good morning student. My name is Sumit Sharma and today our topic is the earth in the solar system. Today we will discuss about solar system, stars, asteroids, meteoroids, galaxy and the universe. So let's begin. There are too many shining objects we see in the night. Some of them are bright and some do not. Some are twinkling like stars and some do not, like a moon and the planets. All these objects we see in the night is called celestial body. Full moon night and new moon night. When we see full moon in the night, that night is called full moon night or Purnima. And a fortnight later, when we cannot see moon at all, that night is called new moon night or Amavasya. From full moon to new moon, the brightening part of a moon is decreasing, and from new moon to full moon, the brightening part of a moon is increasing. Stars. Celestial bodies which have their own heat and light is called stars. Stars are made up of inflammable gases like hydrogen and helium. Due to burning of these gases, stars emit a large amount of heat and energy. That is the reason of their shining. Constellations. In the night sky, we saw various patterns formed by different group of stars. These group are called constellations. Ursa Major and Saptarishi are such constellations. This is a Ursa Major and this is a Saptarishi. Saptarishi is also a part of Ursa Major. When we connect all the stars with the imaginary line, we show an image of bear. So Ursa Major is also called a big bear. In the sky, we show the most brightest stars in the night. It is called pole stars. Pole stars always remain in a same direction. So in the ancient time, people used to determine their direction with the help of pole star. Solar systems. The sun, its planets, satellites, asteroids, meteoroids and dust particles form solar systems. Sun is the head of solar system and all the members of solar system revolve around the sun. This is the picture of solar systems, and sun is the head of solar system and all the members of solar systems are revolve around the sun. Planets. The celestial body which do not have their own heat and light are called planets. There are 8 planets in our solar systems, and they are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. Mercury is the nearest planet to the Sun and it is also the smallest planet of our solar systems. Our Earth is the third planet of solar systems. Jupiter is the largest planet of our solar system and Neptune is the furthest planet of solar system. First 4 planets of solar system, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars, are called inner or terrestrial planets because they are made up of rocks, and last 4 planets of solar system, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune, are called outer or gaseous planet because they are made up of gases and liquid. Moon. Moon is only natural satellite of the Earth. It is about 3,84,400 km far from the Earth. It is moved around the Earth in about 27 days, and it is takes same time to complete one spin. As a result, only one side of the Moon is visible to us on the Earth. Earth. Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun after Mercury and Venus, and fifth largest planet in our solar system after Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The shape of our Earth is geoid, not like a round ball, because it is slightly flattened at their pole. Our Earth is the only planet which has life. That is why Earth is called a unique planet, and Earth is called a blue planet because 2/3 surface of Earth is covered by water. Asteroids. Numerous of tiny body of rocks and debris found between the orbit of Jupiter and Mars are called asteroids. They are also move around the Sun like the other member of solar family. Meteoroids. The small pieces of rocks which move around the Sun is called meteoroids. This is a meteoroids. This is a meteoroids. Sometimes meteoroids come near the Earth, and due to friction with the air, they burn up and heat it and look like a spotting stars. And sometimes the meteoroid do not burn completely and fall on the Earth and create a hollow. This is a picture of lunar lake which is created by meteoroids. The galaxy and the universe. A million of stars and the clouds of dust and the gases form a galaxy. Our solar system is a part of galaxy. The name of our galaxy is Akashganga and Milky Way, and the shape of our galaxy is spiral. Our galaxy is look like this, and a million of galaxies form universe. I hope you will understand today's lecture very well. God bless you. Thank you.